Did you know if you bought $5 worth of Bitcoin 7 years ago, you'd be $4.4 million richer? Have you seen what's happened to the price of Bitcoin lately? It's just over $11,000. Myself, I work in pounds, so let's have a look what it is in pounds. I'm on an exchange here called Pro Coinbase, and the price of Bitcoin at the moment is just over £9,000, which is amazing. But earlier on today, as you can see, the price went up to 9,000, nearly 400 there. And over the last few days, Bitcoin has actually hit the £10,000. But there's such an amazing opportunity if you look at this chart for you to make some serious money. Imagine that you would have bought when the price was lower than 9,370. Well, of course, you'd have sold when it peaked up there, and then what you'd have done is look for an opportunity to buy when the price went down to 9,100, and of course you would have bought there, and then you would have made a little bit of profit by selling at the top of that peak. Coming down to the bottom of this dip, you would have bought again, and of course you would have sold once it got to the top of that peak, and you'd have had a nice little run on the way down here, and you would have bought at the bottom, and you'd have made a sale at the top there. Now, that's what you do if you want to make money trading Bitcoin. But if you don't know how to do that, then carry on watching this video, because I'm going to show you actually how you can make money trading Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, or even gold for that matter. If we go over to a website called CoinMarketCap, you can see now that there's some lovely volatility changes over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has dropped, Ethereum has dropped, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. There's lots of drops in the markets at the moment, which is a great opportunity to be buying up any of these coins. And some of the coins have actually taken a rise. So, of course, if you would have had a robot that would have bought these coins for you on autopilot, they'd be selling them and buying you new coins, and all the time making you profit. Okay, now if we look at the actual Bitcoin chart itself, as you can see, this chart, I've got it on 1 year. It's slowly we're in this bull run. Okay, over the last 12 months we've been building up, and now we're at this zigzag movement, of the jigsaw movement I call it, at the top here, which is a great opportunity for making some really fast money. Okay, because of the price of Bitcoin going up, then going down, then going up, then going down, and then going up, and then going down, that gives great opportunity for trading Bitcoin. And if I look at the moment, we're in a buyer's market. As you can see, this is a live chart here, so we're in a buyer's market. So there's a lot of people buying, which tends to say that Bitcoin would maybe be overbought, and there's going to be an opportunity for you to sell, and also to get in with buying when the price drops down again. Now, I want to take you over to my trading robots, okay? And as you can see here, I've got my top performing bots, okay? Look at the ROIs. I want you to look down this line here. Look, 72%, 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%. And if I go down here and look at the money that I've made recently, as you can see, $1.62, $4.31, 56 cents, 55 cents, 70 cents. And you might think that's not a lot of money, but let's have a look and add those up to show you what sort of returns you can get with these trading robots. So what I'm going to do is bring your eyes over to the right hand side of the screen here, and I'm going to show you the earnings column, and I'm going to show you the ROI. So if we look down the earnings column, look, $76, that's a 23.7% ROI, a 4% ROI, a 2.7, a 9.2, a 5.9, a 3.5, a 4.3, a 6.2, 11.1, 13.6, 11.6, 16.3. They're all going on with amazing ROIs. Look at this, 37.4. This one here, 40.2, 33.4, 28.9, 27.6. I'm sure you'll agree there's some amazing ROIs from these trading robots, and these are all actually working for me right now as we speak. And let me just show you at the top of the screen here what you would have access to. You'd have access to our fiat to crypto trading robots, okay? And at the moment I've got 22 of those set up. You'd have access to our semi-automatic trading robot where the robot does a little bit of work and you can do a bit of work if you like doing that. You know, some people like to do a bit of trading. I've got a gold to Bitcoin trading robot that's trading at the moment. I've also got crypto to crypto trading robots, and I've got binary options trading robots. Let me show you our binary options trading robot. Now at the moment I've got a robot that's running live, and if I just show you, it's making a loss at the moment, but I'm not worried about that, okay? As you can see, the bot sort of run into trouble, but now it's on this run back up again, so I'm expecting this bot to soon get into profit. But let me show you the archive bots. So if I come down here and look at the profit, okay, this is what I'm looking at, the profit, 2.88. So that's $2.88, $2.68, $2.84, $4.64, $4.84, $4.16, $4.52, $4.52, $4.48, $5.64. Had a bot there that lost minus $9. Okay, then we've got a winning bot of $3, $3.94, a $25 trade there. You see a $25 win for that bot, $155 for that bot, $264.80 for that bot. I've got another bot that lost just over $19. I've got a winning bot there that's had a profit of $320, another winning bot of $346, $4.42. Now, I'm sure if you was to get your calculator out and add that up, you can see that I'm in some amazing profit. So I've got my binary options robot running. I've got 22 fiat to crypto bots running. I've got one semi-automatic bot running. I've got one gold bot running. I've got one crypto to crypto bot running. And I've got a binary option bot running at the moment. So if you're into trading and you want to put it all onto autopilot, then above or below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link and I'll get you started on the road of showing you how to set up your trading robots on complete autopilot. You have an amazing day and happy trading.